Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about this really flashy, gorgeous stone, Labradorite, the stone of transformation and magic. For those who have seen my videos before, welcome back. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And today, we're going to be doing that with Labradorite. And I'm wearing Labradorite today. I've got this nice, gorgeous piece, and I'm wearing this bracelet and this pendant to just surround myself with Labradorite energy while we talk through this video today. And if you feel like Labradorite is a stone that you'd like to explore deeper, these bracelets and the pendants are available in my Etsy store, and the description is below. And the bracelets come with a little tumbled gemstone so that you have some Labradorite to practice with, in your own daily life. So, Labradorite, the stone of transformation and magic. And its beautiful, color-changing, shifting appearance just reflect its nature to support transformation and those magical opportunities in our life. And this color change comes from an effect called labradorescence. And this color can be blue, purple, yellow, orange, pink. It really depends on the piece that you pick up and where it comes from. But, it just looks magical itself. Today we're going to be talking about 4 benefits that you can get from working with Labradorite in your daily life. And the first benefit of Labradorite is that it helps awaken your intuitive abilities. This is part of its supportive magic in your life. And what is intuition? It's being able to hear and acknowledge your inner wisdom, your inner voice, and the voices from your higher self, from the universal energies, and being able to trust that that information is valid and true. And so Labradorite helps support your strengthening intuition, and it supports the awakening and development of psychic abilities too. So with the combination of your intuitive abilities and psychic abilities, if you're working with tarot reading, divination, it helps deepen meditation, it helps with ritual work, it supports anything magical and wise in your life. It helps awaken that. So if you're looking for that in your life, then incorporate Labradorite in those times when you're practicing working with your intuition. But generally, it makes you feel more open, more safe, and more willing to explore new abilities in your life. The second benefit of Labradorite is that it strengthens and protects your aura. So if you've got any attachments, any psychic or emotional attachments through your aura, it will help dissolve those. If you've got any leaks, any holes in your aura, it will heal those and make sure that your aura is strong and whole. And how that helps us is that it keeps our energy within, because any kind of leaks or attachments will cause our energy to drain out, and we'll feel lethargic and sleepy and just no motivation for no reason at all. No matter how much sleep you get, good foods you eat, if you've got a weak or broken aura, you're gonna feel tired. So if you do feel any of these symptoms and it doesn't appear to have a cause, then Labradorite can help strengthen and heal your aura. It also activates, cleanses, and balances all of your chakras, so it helps your energy flow within your body in a balanced way. So it just gives you this sense of internal energy and brightness when you regularly meditate with Labradorite. The third benefit of Labradorite is that it helps you determine your destiny. Now, this is a really unique benefit with Labradorite. Not a lot of stones have this benefit. And so if you regularly meditate with Labradorite, it helps you release any kind of inhibitions or limitations that you've put on yourself. Anytime you feel like, I couldn't possibly do that, or that's not for me, and it's something that you're really drawn to, but you're putting your own limitations on, Labradorite helps you release that. It gives you confidence that you can follow your dreams. So when you're meditating with Labradorite, I suggest you journal with it, because it helps ideas and inspiration and clues to your true path arise. And with your strengthening intuitive skills from working with Labradorite, journaling and writing down what comes up for you when you meditate with Labradorite will really help you define where your true path, where your destiny lies, and how you can get there. Labradorite also, in the path of destiny, it helps you take ideas and create a plan to make them into reality. So not only does it help clear your vision to your true path, but it helps you figure out how to get there, how to actually implement that in your life. And so it's a huge benefit if you're feeling kind of lost and you're feeling like you're kind of wandering and you don't know what you're supposed to do with this life. Labradorite will help you. I mean, it's such a fantastic support in one's life. And the fourth benefit of Labradorite is that it helps you through periods of transition and major change in your life. It's incredibly supportive. So if you're going through a major change, like changing jobs, you just lost your job, you're gonna have a new baby, you're gonna move, you're starting a different school, like anything that's a major transition in your life, whether you instigated the change or whether you didn't, Labradorite is really supportive. It helps you keep calm, and it helps you navigate those waters of change. So it helps you feel safe and confident that the choices that you make during this transition will be helpful for you. So if you are going through a major transformation in your life, wearing Labradorite on a regular basis during that change will help you feel safe, secure, and grounded, even though there's a lot of change going on in your life. It's incredibly supportive. So Labradorite is this stone that encourages us to live the best version of our life. It helps us discover what that would be. It helps us make the plan to get there. And it helps us as we go through the transitions to actually get there. Like, it wants us to be moving towards our highest good. And so if that's what you're looking for in life, then this is definitely a stone that you should pick up. So thank you for joining me today as we talk about Labradorite. If you're feeling like this is a stone that really calls to you, I'll be posting a guided meditation with Labradorite in 2 days. So if you're new to the channel Every week I focus on a new gemstone. On Thursdays, I post a video about the healing benefits of that gemstone, and on Saturday, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone so that you can get a really good feel for what that energy of that gemstone will be in your life and if it will help you. And for the guided meditation, you don't need a gemstone. Just sit through the meditation, and if any of the scenarios or situations calls out to you or triggers you, that is a good sign that you should probably get a piece and work with it more. And that'll be posted in 2 days. So if you're interested in learning about gemstones and how they can benefit your life, and you'd like to learn about a new gemstone every single week, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and you'll see whenever I post a new video. So thank you for joining me today with Labradorite, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation. Thank you.